Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, your one and only original meal cooking channel in Ghana and beyond guys. I'm super excited as always to bring to your doorstep another sumptuous, healthy and mouth-watering food recipe. And I know you can't wait to try this amazing recipe. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get it started. Come along with me as I prepare akple and fetri toto. I know what you're thinking, it is not what you're thinking. Let's begin by transferring our ingredients into our saucepan. That is my okra, onion, tomatoes, and green petit bell pepper. Add enough water and bring it to a boil or cook for some minutes. It's ready after some minutes. Put it aside and let's saute our salted fish. So in your fry pan or saucepan, pour in your palm oil, add in your salted fish, stir fry on low heat to prevent it from burning. It's ready, so I'll put it aside. The next thing is to grind my cooked ingredients. That is my cooked green petit bell pepper, onions, tomatoes, and okra. Grind everything together, as you can see on your screen. After grinding that is fine and smooth, I will be pouring onto my grinded mixture my salted fish and palm oil, and give it a good stir to allow the palm oil to enter every part of the grinded ingredient or the fetri toto, as you can see on your screen. Add your salt to taste and your all natural spice blend recipe for good taste. Add in your smoked mackerel and stir-fried palm oil for garnishing. You can add a little palm oil that if you want it. I like more palm oil. So give it a stir to allow the palm oil to enter every part of your fetri toto. So guys, fetri toto basically means grounded okra, or okra cooked in your earthenware. That's your asanka. That is a period. So it's time to taste, and guys, it is to my preference. Very, very nice. Time to prepare the akple. So to start the akple preparation, you need your clean saucepan. Pour in just little amount of flour and add in a lot of water or more water, as you can see on your screen, and mix or stir properly with your hands to form a running water, just as you prepare your porridge. Add more water, give it a good stir, and cover it to allow it to boil. Constantly be checking up on your mixture or porridge to prevent any formation of lumps. It's boiling at this point in time, and all you need to do is to give it a good stir and transfer your akple flour into your saucepan and stir properly to mix or combine to prevent any lumps from forming. So all you need to do is to press at one side of the saucepan, just as you prepare your banku. I will be pouring in 1 cup of hot water to allow it to soften. Add more water from time to time to soften your dough. After adding your water, poke holes in your akple dough and cover it to allow the steam to cook it. Press your akple at one side of your saucepan. Repeat the process until you are done. So guys, it's very simple, very easy. Just watch this video, pay close attention to every detail, and you will get how to prepare this amazing recipe. So guys, my akple is finally ready. Guys, it's ready. So I'm preparing it for scooping. As you can see, very soft. Oh my goodness. Hey Charlie. So at this point in time, I will be scooping my akple into my clean rubber, as you can see on your screen. Ladies and gentlemen, if you think I deserve a thumbs up, then what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends, your loved ones, and they would love it. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. See you with another video. Bye guys.